Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to start with commenting the blogs. Okay, so first I will just close all the files and I will go to main and forms.py. Now here we will create form to comment the blogs. Okay, so first I will create class, then I will say comment blog form, and this will inherit from model form, so forms dot model forms. Okay, and this will take one another class which is meta, and here we will say model equals to blog comment. Okay, so you can see we have brought this model from dot models and comment model. Okay, and we already have created blog comment model in later videos, so if you have not followed that video, then I will give that video link on I button on top right corner. You can go ahead and watch that. Okay, so I have created this model for the commenting the blocks, so I'll just close this file for now, and then I will say fields equals to underscore underscore all underscore underscore. Keep in mind you need to write underscore underscore all underscore underscore in single or double quotations. You don't need to write this tuple. Okay, now this basically brings all the fields present in this model. Okay, now here we will pass widgets, so I will say widgets equals to, this will take dictionary, and for this I will say author equals to forms. So I will just copy because this is going to be same. We are going to pass author dynamically, so logged in author can only comment the post, so we will take that author name from the id author id only. Okay, so if author is registered, then we will be able to fetch the id of the author, and we will also fetch a blog id same by same method we are fetching the author. So I will just write blog. Okay, and here id should be different, so I will just give blog. Okay, now here I will pass one more class which is going to be form control class. Okay, so I think hidden, these both are hidden fields, so these both don't need any form control class. Description will need form control class, so I will just pass it to description only, and I will remove this type hidden, and I will also remove this value and all, and I will say class, and it will be form hyphen control. Okay, so now we have created this form. So in next video we are going to import this form in our views.py file. I mean, we will create another view. No, we will not create another view, so we will update this view, because basically we are going to take blogs from the blog detail page only. So we will import that blog form in this blog underscore detail function, and then we will be able to post the comments. Okay, so we will do this in next video because it is going to be a pretty long process. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.